Okay, so we've just done the tea cakes. The next dish we're going to show is a really simple pizza. Use it on our flatbread. So these come in 3 in a pack, really good size for those early years for a pizza. Topped it with a base tomato sauce and some vegan cheese that's got no allergens in. So again, free of the 14 allergens, really simple dish. I think all kids love pizzas.
We all love pizza, Lou, let's be honest. What's great as well is this is quite a new product to our category as well. So if you've never used the flatbread before, the recipe for the pizza is a perfect starting point. Quick to thaw as well because of the thinness of them. But that looks fantastic. And also we've got a variety of different dairy-free cheeses in our category too. So I'll go and pop those under the grill, Lou.
Perfect. Okay, so here is that nice simple pizza. I'm going to cut it up and we can taste it. And I've just served it with a bit of crudité and tomatoes, because obviously in those early years, that's all they'd have, isn't it, from their salad bar.
And it adds to their 5 a day, adds a little bit of colour. And it smells lovely, Lou. Just so simple, quick and easy, and literally just a few minutes under the grill.
There you go, tuck it.
Lovely, thanks Lou. This is going to be hot because this has just come.
It's a really good flavour, isn't it? I mean,
It's just so versatile.
Yeah.
From pizza, or you can even warm it and serve it with curries for older children or tagine. So the list is endless, but that's lovely.
Yeah, and again, obviously from a contamination point of view, clean tray, popped it under the grill. If you've got lots to do, they could go through the oven and be baked. Again, nice clean board, clear down, just keep those allergens away and work nice and tidy as you go.
Absolutely, lovely.
Enjoy.
Thanks, Lou.